So, hello and welcome everybody back to my educational videos. I'm back again. I feel good. Maybe we can make a video today. So, we have a new race or event. How do you call this? So, we have stay on the ground, drive as far as you can. So, okay. Time attack. Yeah, time attack. Okay, let's go fast and cargo. Very simple. Vehicles don't look good. Got it. So, against us we have a team from well, in this brief moment I would like to say welcome back, Nick. He's not my friend, but welcome back. Well, he didn't come back because he was never here before. This is a team from pizza country, Italia. Okay, so let's try this. So stay on the ground and drive as far as you can. Oof. I bet this is the correct vehicle for this one. Oh shit, sorry. I don't remember how to do this. Don't need that. Maybe spikes if we need to brake. Let's put the spoiler. First time. Yes. So here we go. Yeah, that's not going very well. I was looking for the 1 second penalty all the time and I was not concentrating on the meter. Oh shit. That's why it went bad. I forgot first things first. It's Friday night. Come on, a little Pepsi Max. Yeah, that's why it went so bad. Yeah, okay, let's call this a test run. So, time attack. Well, let's just go with this one then. I bet I have the correct parts. Now if I beat that guy, I will... No, I won't. Yeah, didn't get the turbo up, so... This is a track you can practice. This is uphill cup. Yeah, yeah, downhill from now. Time attack, go fast. Well, I'm not going with that one. Let's go with the formula. I have the wrong parts, I think. Oh no, no, this is this shit. Oh no. Oh, I hate this track. Oh, yeah. Oh shit. Well, this should be good in cargo. Not gonna change parts because this is just practice run. So. Yeah, just dump it all away. The track is called cargo, not... Yeah, I think this is actually correct vehicle for this one because I get correct parts there. Okay, so let's try this with more concentration. Shit, that meter is going fast. Yeah, this is just bouncing. This vehicle just... Yeah. You don't have any springs on it, so it's just, yeah, that's shit. Okay. we want to go this track fast, so no, we don't need that. Oh shit, sorry. We need that. Maybe. No, we're gonna run out of fuel. Nope, that's not the way. Ooh, yeah. Now I got this shit for the. Yeah, correct parts. I'm sorry, I'm really lost here. I think I need the Lambo for this one. And I used it for the previous one, so. Nikam is in the roof. The roof is on fire. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Ah. Interesting game you have made, Fingersoft. You are playing evil. I think I dropped the wings and burner. I don't know, start? Is it too fast? Maybe I'll drop the cans in the beginning. I don't know. Please, God, help me. Yeah. Oish. Ah, nice. Fingers of fucking stump. You don't see some fucking invisible tree. Fuck you. Yeah. Fuck. Shit. Don't let your kids see this video. Okay, so this is wrong vehicle. So what do we have left? We have tractor. Okay, let's hope this will put more weight on the front. I don't think so. Not that one, not that one. Actually, maybe. I won't. Well, never know. Coin. Yeah, let's see. Maybe I will run out of fuel and I will need the fume. You never know. This is going to be a boring video because I'm going so slow. So, what have you been doing during the summer? Summer is over now in Finland. We have almost snow here. It's pretty dark. You cannot see anything during the day. I hope you have better weather where you are. And that's it. New record. So, could the formula make it? Maybe. Oh, no shit, I was doing that. Yeah. Let's skip the downforce one. Let's see what this will do. Maybe we'll get to the finish very fast. At least I broke the back wing. I was supposed to get over the... Well, guys, you can practice this in the cup. and then you will have a good time. I said Lambo. Turbo. Yes, this is correct. Just get the turbo timing correct and you will fly to the finish. Shit. No, I don't have it. Well, I have enough tickets. Yeah, I can spend one. Yeah, and it got better. For fuck's sake. Ooh, no. Don't have enough tickets for that one. Yeah, so cargo. Here we go. Best cargo ever. I'm like Finnish post office delivering your shit. I'm late and I don't deliver anything. Oh, but at least a new record. This video is so long. Okay, let's go for one more. Really don't care if you're not going to watch it for the end, but yeah, I don't get paid for this shit, so anyway, it's just amusement for me. But if you like it, please put a thumbs up in YouTube. Then I can tell my wife that I'm not doing this just for me. I think my meter is a bit too full. Oh shit! I tried to brake there because of fuck! I saw the meter. I'm gonna take the fucking Lambo here. Yeah. Let's not take a perfect start. Maybe I'll get a perfect turbo then. Come on. Well, that was almost close. Almost close. What is almost close? Please tell me. No, you fucking idiot. Ooh, you stupid motherfucker. Oh. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah, no, I need the wings because you are supposed to fly. What the fuck? I had the pedal to the metal. Okay, so start doesn't work. Let's put wings. Let's keep the cargo in. Maybe I should have waited for like the 5 seconds. Let's follow this guy, Nikam. He's some newbie. Yeah, never heard of him. He's just, you know, yeah. He's just showing off. Never heard of him. Oh, fuck him. Oh, yeah, well, that was fun. So I'm gonna end my video now before it comes a 1 hour Disney movie. So enjoy your weekend and well, live life to the max.